Struggling with a fatty liver? This drink could be your game changer, and it's easier than you think. In today's video, we're diving deep into the importance of liver health. Fatty liver is a common issue that could be damaging your body without you even knowing it. But here's the good part. There's a simple drink you can start making today that could help reduce liver fat and improve your overall health. Stick around to learn what's in this drink and how it works to heal your liver. When we think about liver health, we often don't give it the attention it deserves. After all, it's not something we see or feel, but it's one of the most important organs in our body. The liver is the body's detoxifier, the one that processes everything we consume from food to medications. Without a healthy liver, our bodies can't properly filter toxins, and that leads to a buildup of harmful substances in the bloodstream. In fact, one of the most common issues people face today is fatty liver, which is often overlooked because it has few noticeable symptoms until it's too late. So why should you care about fatty liver? For starters, a fatty liver can significantly affect your overall health, leading to things like heart disease, diabetes, and even liver failure if left untreated. But the scariest part? Most people don't realize they have it until it's already causing damage. The symptoms of a fatty liver are subtle, like fatigue, bloating, or discomfort on your right side. But here's the kicker. You don't have to wait for symptoms to show up. There's a way to take action before things get out of hand. Now let's talk about the liver's secret weapon, bile. Many people think bile is made in the gallbladder, but that's a misconception. The liver actually produces bile, which plays a huge role in digesting fat. Think of bile like a detergent, breaking down the fats in your digestive system so your body can absorb them properly. Without enough bile, fat doesn't break down properly, and you end up with more fat stored in your liver. That's where the trouble starts. The liver doesn't just make bile to digest fat, it's also crucial for the absorption of essential vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Without enough bile, you can become deficient in these vital nutrients. Vitamin A, for example, is essential for good vision, especially at night. If you've ever struggled to see while driving at night, that could be a sign of a vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin D is another important one. It helps with calcium absorption, which is essential for bone health. But when the liver isn't functioning properly, it can't activate vitamin D as efficiently. This leads to issues like weaker bones, poor sleep, and even increased blood pressure. Vitamin E is important for heart health, and vitamin K helps with blood clotting and calcium distribution. When your liver isn't producing enough bile, all of these vital nutrients become harder to absorb, and the effects start to show up in your body. But don't worry, there's something you can do to fix this, and it's simpler than you might think. The secret to improving your liver health and reversing fatty liver lies in a combination of diet, exercise, and a simple drink that you can make every day. But before we dive into that drink, let's talk about the role of bile in detoxification. Your liver's job isn't just to store toxins, it breaks them down into harmless particles that your body can eliminate. Without proper bile production, your liver can't do its job, and toxins start to build up in your system, making you feel sluggish, tired, and even depressed. This brings us back to the drink that could help cure fatty liver. The drink I'm talking about is packed with nutrients that support liver function, reduce fat buildup, and improve bile production. But first, let's explore a few more signs that your liver might need some attention. If you're experiencing symptoms like bloating after meals, difficulty digesting fats, or light-colored stools, these could be signs that your bile production is low. You might also experience nausea, indigestion, or a general sense of being unwell. These are all red flags that your liver isn't working at full capacity. So what can you do about it? Let's talk about the drink that could change everything for your liver health. This drink is a powerhouse when it comes to liver detoxification. It contains ingredients that help to increase bile production, reduce fat, and support overall liver health. And the best part? It's super easy to make. All you need are 3 simple ingredients: kale, blueberries, and kefir. Kale is packed with antioxidants and nutrients like quercetin, which helps target a fatty liver. Quercetin is known for its powerful ability to reduce liver fat and support a healthy liver. Blueberries are another key ingredient in this drink, providing essential vitamins and antioxidants that promote liver health and protect against damage caused by toxins. Kefir, a fermented milk drink, is loaded with probiotics that help balance your gut microbiome and support liver function. Here's how to make it. Start with 2 cups of frozen kale. Freezing the kale makes it easier to blend and gives the drink a smoother texture. Add 1 cup of frozen blueberries, then pour in 1 cup of water and 1 cup of plain, whole-fat kefir. You can use organic ingredients for the best results. Blend everything together for about 2 minutes until it's smooth and creamy. The result is a delicious, nutritious drink that you can enjoy every day to help reduce fat in your liver. But this drink isn't the only thing you should be doing for your liver. To really see results, consider combining this drink with a ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting. The ketogenic diet helps your body burn fat for energy, and intermittent fasting gives your liver a break, allowing it to function better. Together they can reduce liver fat by as much as 50% in just 14 days. Now I know what you might be thinking. Can I just take supplements or medication to fix my fatty liver? While supplements can help, there's no substitute for a healthy diet and lifestyle. The key to curing fatty liver is to address the root cause, and that starts with making the right choices every day. The drink I shared with you today is just one piece of the puzzle. By incorporating it into your daily routine, along with a balanced diet and regular exercise, you'll be giving your liver the support it needs to stay healthy. While the drink I mentioned can certainly help support liver health, it's important to recognize when you might need professional medical attention. If you're experiencing symptoms like unexplained fatigue, bloating, or discomfort on your right side, it could be a sign that your liver isn't functioning properly. And if you've been dealing with ongoing symptoms like persistent nausea, indigestion, or have noticed that your skin or eyes appear yellowish, it could indicate more serious liver issues such as liver inflammation or cirrhosis. Seeing a doctor is crucial if you suspect something's wrong with your liver, as fatty liver disease can sometimes progress without noticeable symptoms. A healthcare provider can perform tests, like an ultrasound or blood work, to check for liver damage and give you a clear diagnosis. Catching liver problems early can make a huge difference in treatment options and help prevent long-term damage. So, while making healthier choices and incorporating liver-friendly habits like the drink I've shared are vital steps, don't hesitate to consult your doctor if you're concerned. Early detection is key to managing liver health effectively. Remember, a fatty liver is often a silent problem that sneaks up on you. But with the right steps, you can reverse the damage and protect your liver for years to come. Start today by making this simple drink, incorporating it into a liver-friendly diet, and giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Hit subscribe button now and stay tuned for more health tips.